Want to wake up richer than when you went to bed? These 5 AI tools are helping regular people make real money in their sleep, no experience needed. Let me show you how. Leonardo AI. This tool creates stunning digital art in seconds using just a text prompt. You can take those designs and upload them to print-on-demand marketplaces like Redbubble or Etsy. Every time someone buys a product with your design, like a t-shirt, sticker, or wall print, you get paid. You don't have to handle inventory, shipping, or even customer support. Just upload and earn passively. ChatGPT. This AI can generate full-length ebooks, blogs, or marketing copy for you. Just feed it a few prompts, and it'll handle the rest. You can sell the finished content on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. You only have to do the work once, and you can keep earning for months, even years, from a single upload. ElevenLabs. Want to start a voiceover business without recording your voice? This AI tool creates ultra-realistic voiceovers from text. You can use it to offer voiceover gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, narrate audiobooks, or even create YouTube videos. It's fast, professional, and sounds completely natural. Notion AI. Build productivity templates like daily planners, habit trackers, or startup dashboards using Notion. Then use the AI to help organize and optimize your layouts. Package them up and sell them on sites like Gumroad or Etsy. They're especially popular among students, creators, and entrepreneurs. Pictory. Pictory lets you generate faceless YouTube videos automatically. Just input your script, and it handles everything: video clips, subtitles, music, and transitions. You can launch a YouTube channel with almost no editing experience and start building passive ad revenue. Subscribe to Daily Smart Hustle for more AI tools that do the work while you sleep. Work less, earn smart.